Hey guys, so let's make some easiest cheesy chili garlic noodles. What we all require: oil, some garlic and green chilies. Just saute it for a few seconds and put the onion and saute it for 2 minutes. Now put your noodles and add some chili flakes over it. Now add salt. I'm using the white and black salt only. Now saute it and it's done. It's so yum guys. Do try the recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for some more unique recipes. Thank you.